In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to a workspace on Trello. Whether you're collaborating on a team project or organizing your personal tasks, Trello makes managing these spaces straightforward and intuitive. So let's dive right in to make sure your team is all set up and ready to tackle your next big project. First, you'll need to open your Trello workspace. Begin by logging into your Trello account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the left sidebar. Here, you should see the names of your workspaces. Click on the name of the workspace you want to manage. This will direct you to the workspace view where you have access to all its features and settings, allowing you to seamlessly manage your projects. Next, let's move to the members section. Inside the workspace view, look for the members option in the top menu or sidebar. Click on it and you'll be presented with a list of all current members within this workspace. This is your central hub for managing who has access, and it offers a convenient overview of all collaborators involved. Now that you're in the members section, the next step is to invite new members to your workspace. Locate the invite button, typically situated in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click it. This action will bring up a pop-up window specifically designed for sending out invitations to potential members, making the process both easy and efficient. In the pop-up window, you'll see a space to enter an email address or Trello username. Type in the email address or username of the person you wish to invite. A great feature here is that you can invite multiple people at once, saving you time if you're onboarding a large team. Before sending the invite, you might want to set the role for each person you're adding. Roles are optional but provide control over what each member can do within the workspace. You can choose from 3 different roles. First, there's the admin role, granting full permissions such as changing settings and managing other members. Then there's the normal member role, which allows the user to view and edit boards. Lastly, for those on paid plans, there's the observer role, which is a view-only permission, perfect for external stakeholders or team members who only need to observe the progress. Once you've set the roles, you're ready for the final step, sending the invite. Click on the Send Invitation button. When you do this, the individuals you've invited will receive an email or in-app notification to join your workspace. It's as simple as that, and there you have it. Adding people to your Trello workspace is an easy process that ensures you and your team can collaborate effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your team's communication and productivity on Trello. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy organizing!